Hello, so today we have a walkthrough of the SQL Editor tab within the IOMETE platform. As we can see, the content within the SQL Editor is organized across three spaces. The first one is My Workspace. This essentially holds all the private SQL files that a user wants to store for himself. We can create folders within this, and the folders and the content will be visible only to this particular user. We can create worksheets under these folders and store my frequent queries that I use over here. Now, once we have the folders, we can do all sorts of action on the worksheets that we have. We can like duplicate them. We then move the folders into whichever particular folder that we want. As we can see, the folder is now within folder 1, moved from subfolder 2. The second section that we have here is shared folders. These folders within this shared workspace will be available across all users that are part of this particular domain that we are currently in. Once we create folders within shared folder, we can actually move or share personal worksheets that we have with the whole domain and move them to particular shared folders. So we can see now the file that we had is available to all users in the particular domain. A caveat here is the worksheets that are shared can't be modified. These can be only shared to the shared folders from a private sector. Now, the third section that we have is repositories. These are essentially to hold Git-backed worksheets. So to add one, we can go to checkout Git repo. I have a Git repo already here. We can copy its link and paste it here. To access this Git repo, we'll need a token from the user, and the user can provide the token in this account itself, in the screen, and we have the files within this available to query it now. And again, these are also not modifiable as this is managed by Git. We can use any Git interfaces to modify these files. So once we have these files here, it's accessible to all members of this particular domain. To manage the access tokens and the Git repos that we have this Git integration tab within settings where the user can come modify their repository settings or the access tokens that they have available.